to lovable children, estimable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, I've already discussed about addition, like such as chapter 2, 1, 2. Next chapter, that means mathematics standard 2, exercise 7, word problems. Let's come to it and know more about it. Let's come to topic and discuss about that means word problems. Chapter 3, word problems, additions. Next 1 to exercise 7 to 7 and 8, and to then chapter 4, subtraction. That means exercise 1 to 7, page number 73. Start page 56, page number 55 to 73. Okay, let's come to the topic and discuss about word problems. Example, first example, standard 2, word problems, exercise 7. First we take an example, that means exercise 20. Follow a textbook also. A shopkeeper sold 69 books on Monday and 26 books on Tuesday. How many books did he sell on these 2 days? That means a shopkeeper sold how to write systematically, methodology. That means how to write this questions answer. Let's follow hard copy also. First solution: number of books sold on Monday 69. First, number of books sold on Tuesday 26. Total number of books sold 69 plus 26, total 95. Right side calculations, tens, ones place. Okay, you know very well, and that means hence. Lastly, you can write it. Hence, he sold 95 books on 2 days. Okay, that means like this. Exercise 21, 22, 23. Then let's exercise 7. Follow textbook also hard copy. That makes 7. Question: Nisha had 67 rupees. Her father gave her 25 rupees more. How many rupees does Nisha have now? Let's how to write systematically. That means a solution: amount of rupees had remained by Nisha equal to rest 67. Amount of rupees was given by her father. That means 25. Total amount of rupees had remained by Nisha 67 plus 25, 92. Calculations, right side. Hence, total amount of rupees of Nisha 92. Then question number 2 to follow hard copy. $25 plus. Okay, do practice more and more, and write down well and good at your home. Okay, and do practice more times. And next exercise, let's come to the exercise 8, number lines. Addition of 3 numbers of number line. Let's follow a hard copy. Then add 3 and 4 on the number line. Solution: that means draw a line. That means such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. You know very well. That means how to write this number 3 and 4 on the number line. Then let's start on the number line. We first mark 3. First 3, 0 to 3. Start 3 mark. Then count 4 more. Then count 4 more. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 3 plus 4 equals 7. We reached at a point marked 7. Already reached. So on the number line. Okay, understand well. I think you understand well. Then exercise 25. Then extra more examples I will add it. That means add 5 and 6 number line. 5 plus 6, 5. 0 to 5, 0 to 5. Then 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 11. 5 plus 6, 11. That means number line. Okay, understand well. Exercise 27. Extra different examples also there. That means add 2, 4 and 6. 3 numbers. That means 2 digit number 3 and 4. That means 3 digit number 2, 4 and 6. First 2, 0 to 2. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 plus 6, that means 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 12. Let's follow textbook, also hard copy. On the number line add. Exercise 8, number 1 on the number line. Add 4 and 7 on the number line. That means 4 plus 7. First mark as 4. Mark as 4. Then count 4, 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 4 plus 7, 11. Reach set points. Destination already 11. Okay. That means 2, 3, 4 also. Follow, do practice more and more times. Because Happel exam is coming now. Do practice. Let's come subtraction. Chapter 4 on the number line. Then we read it the previous chapter. Addition on the number line. Then let's now start subtraction on the number line. Follow our hard copy. Subtraction example 1, 5 from 9. That means from 9. That means 9 from 9. 9 minus 5. Subtract 5 from 9. That means 9 minus 5. On the number line, first mark 9 starting from 0. Starting from 0. Then count 5 steps backward. That means minus means subtraction means backward. Addition means plus more 1. That means the subtraction means backward. That means minus minus. Okay. That means 5 steps backward. We reach that number 4. Let's number line draw a line. That means 0 to 14. Such as like this. Okay. That means 0 first at 9. 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Then backward 5. That means 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 backward. That means 9 minus 5, 4. Reach at 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Okay. Exercise 1. Follow hard copy. Or textbook also hard copy. Exercise 1. 11 minus 3. 0 to 11. 0 to 11. Then backward minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. It's at 8. That means 11 minus 3 equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also follow hard copy. Then subtraction without borrowing. Subtraction 2 digit number. Example 2. Follow hard copy. Also textbook also. Also hard copy. Subtract 64 from 86. From 86, 10s plus 1s plus 86, 64 minus 22. Okay, do practice more and more. Example 3. Then subtract exercise 2. Follow hard copy. Exercise 2. Do practice 2 up to 30. Then exercise 3. What problems also? Subtraction. Exercise 3. Number 1. Aramjit planted 28 saplings. Salini planted 16 saplings. Who planted more and by how many? Let's follow hard copy. Number of first, how to write systematically? Number of saplings planted by Aramjit equal to 28. Then next, number of saplings planted by Salini equal to 16. Next, who planted more? Questions. Already there is questions about who planted more. That means Aramjit planted more saplings. What is the reason? How many? Number of more saplings planted by Aramjit, 28 minus 16 equal to 12. And 12 more. That means hence Aramjit planted 12 more saplings than Salini. Calculations also here. Do practice. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then subtraction. 3 digit number without borrowing. we read it 2-digit number without borrowing. Let's start now 3-digit number without borrowing. Subtract 462 from 586. Hence, first add 100 place, 10s plus 1s plus 586, 462 minus 1 to 4. Example 5, 6, 7. Exercise 4. Subtract the following. That means 100 already follow hard copy also book. List. Subtraction with borrowing. That means without borrowing, let's start subtract with borrowing. That example 8, subtract 46 from 73. That means 10's 1's place. That means 3 cannot go, so 3 to 6. That means 1 13. After borrowing 1 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Then 6 minus 4 2 27. After borrowing. Example 9. Exercise follow hard copy also textbook. Exercise 6. What problems? Exercise 5. Then follow textbook also hard copy. Exercise 6. Exercise 6. Question number 1. What problems? There are 72 students in a class. Of these, 39 are girls. How many are boys? Let's follow hard copy. Number of students in a class 72. How to write systematically? Follow, read mindfully. And number of girls in a class 39. Number of boys in a class 72 minus 39. 33. Hence, there are 33 boys in a class. Calculations. Number 2. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then exercise 7. Follow textbook. Subtract the following. 100 plus 10s plus 1s plus. That means 643 minus 249. After borrowing 384. Follow textbook, do practice. And how to check the answer? That is this is the right or wrong. Then we start. We add the smaller of the two given numbers to the answer. If the sum thus obtained is equal to the larger given number, we say the answer is correct. Let's come example. First, 605 minus 358, 247. Is this right or wrong? Then check the answer. That means first we add the smaller number to given numbers. That means smaller number, that 358 plus 257. We add 358 plus 247. That means 605. That is larger number, larger than 605. Hence, answer is correct. Question number 5 to 30. Also hard follow textbook, also hard copy. This is the 13. Arrange the columns and subtract. 100 plus 10s plus 1 plus, that means 726 minus 689, 037. Okay, follow textbook, also hard copy. Find a difference between two given numbers and check your answer. 701, that means 568, 133. Then to check the answer, that means first two smaller two given numbers, 568, 133 is smaller number, plus we add the first two given smaller numbers, then 701, the larger number. That is the correct. 38. Check the answer. What problems? Example. There are 4,606 sheep in a field. 325 died due to severe cold. How many sheep are left in the field now? Let's solution. Number of sheep in the field 467. Number of sheep died due to cold 325. Number of sheep left in the field 467 and 325 equal to 142. And calculations here. Then hence the number of sheep also writes therefore, hence therefore, so the number of sheep left in the field is 142. You can follow it. If there is any doubts, contact with me. Read attentively because the exam is coming now quickly, suddenly. So do practice. May God bless you. Thank you so much.